Guys, pinaka-premium na phone ni Vivo for this year is the X200 Pro, and this is collaborated with Zeiss. I have here is the global variant, and this is a 16 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage. And current price niya is around mga nasa 71,000 pesos. Medyo rare ang stock, so I'll post the link on the description kung saan na siya pwede makuha. Now, start muna natin with a quick unboxing. Na maganda yung kanyang box, X200 Pro core engine with Zeiss. And you see the Vivo prints dito sa gilid. Yan, X200 Pro. Napag-box natin, yung phone mismo bubungad sa'yo. Ganito yung itsura niya. Now, I have here is the silver color, which is definitely good. Maganda nga ng color. And honestly, I love it. No? Very simple lang siya. Matte finish ang kanyang likod. And this is the titanium color, by the way. Yung kanyang sides na is brushed aluminum metal finish, so walang fingerprint smudges. Ganito yung itsura sa ilalim. And this is on the other side. Now, sa ibabaw ganito ang itsura niya. And makita natin na medyo malaki ka na camera bump. These are Zeiss T lenses. No? And yeah, so we have a quad curve display, really nice. And what I like dito sa kanya is very smooth on FunTouch OS 15. Now, so let's just quickly finish yung ating unboxing before ko pakita sa inyo quick camera experience. Panundot natin. We also have yung manual sa jelly case natin dito sa loob. Yan, mga quick start guide, and we have a clear jelly case. And of course, we have our 90 watts na charging brick. Flash charge, and of course our charging cable. Now, if we take a quick look, just take a quick snap. Mabilis siya mag-process, so expect natin na this is definitely a really good camera. Honestly, I love yung coloring na dito, yung kanyang color science ni Vivo X200 Pro. It's definitely good, and I love the way it is. So expect mo talagang magandang kanyang performance. And even medyo low light din dito sa aking studio, capturing this photo is definitely very effortless. Sakita natin lahat ng blemishes sa aking mukha. It's really nice. Kitang-kita mo lahat ng details na pwede makuha dito on the Vivo X200 Pro. Now, if you want to know more about this phone, don't forget to follow me dito sa TikTok and of course sa YouTube para sa full review. And I'll see you there.